The Indian National Congress and other opposition parties have launched a nationwide protest demanding a probe into the Adani Group. Now, shares of Adani companies have been crushed after US short seller Hindenburg Research accused the conglomerate of stock manipulation and accounting fraud. Hindenburg also claimed the group is knee-deep in debt. Opposition parties are accusing the government of protecting Gautam Adani due to his close ties with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Ishan Garu with this report.
Members of the opposition gathered outside India's parliament to demand a probe into the Adani Group by a joint parliamentary panel or a team headed by a Supreme Court justice. They're accusing the government of shielding Adani companies while investors have lost billions of dollars in just 2 weeks. Teams of India's main federal opposition party, the Indian National Congress, also held demonstrations outside the State Bank of India and Life Insurance Corporation's offices. Critics claim that the public's money in state-run banks and insurance companies isn't safe because they have invested in the Adani Group. Critics are concerned that these multi-billion-dollar institutions could go under because of their exposure to Adani companies. But at the core of their allegations is the perceived closeness between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Mr. Gautam Adani. Critics have claimed that Mr. Modi's government, the Bharatiya Janata Party, has favorably handed out government contracts to Mr. Gautam Adani in the past. They argue that Mr. Adani's wealth increasing from $7 billion in 2014 to more than $100 billion before Hindenburg's report came out is proof enough of crony capitalism. Both the BJP and Mr. Adani have denied these allegations. Countering Hindenburg's report, Mr. Adani also said that his companies are fundamentally solid with an excellent track record of making investors money. But that has failed to pacify the markets so far. As the sell-offs continue, the Congress party is hoping to corner the BJP ahead of the 2024 elections. They have disrupted parliamentary proceedings and are now demanding a direct reply from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Indian authorities say that the market regulators are robust enough to tackle any volatility in the market, but they have so far remained reluctant to launch a full-fledged investigation into the Adani Group. Ishan Garg, CNA, New Delhi.